Okay, hello everyone. This is Vikas here, and uh, in this video, we are going to see that how to convert a decimal number into binary number system. Okay, so first of all, we are going to see what are the decimal numbers. Decimal values are these values, like from 0 to 9. All these 10 values are called decimal values. Therefore, the base value of decimal number is 10. Why it is 10? Because in decimal values there are 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these 10 digits, as there are 10 digits in decimal values, therefore the base value of decimal number is 10. Okay, like these are some examples of decimal numbers like 35, 97, 47. Any numbers you can write, and any number combination of numbers you can write, and that number will be considered as a decimal number. Okay, now what is binary values? Okay, as we all know that the binary values are also known as the machine language or the machine language. Therefore, in binary values only two digits are there, that is 0 and 1. So the base value of binary value is 2. Because only two digits are there in binary numbers, therefore the base value of binary number is 2. You can see here, while writing the binary numbers, you will able to see only 1 and 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 or 1, 1. Only these two values will be there. Repeatedly it will be there. So all these values are known as binary numbers. And since the base value of binary is 2, therefore it is written 2 over here in the base of this number. You can see this is also one of the binary number. This is also one of the binary number. It means that I have converted this 35. Okay, this 35 is the decimal value. When I will convert this 35 into binary number, we will get this answer. Okay, when I will convert 97 into binary number, we will get this answer. Okay, when I will convert this minus 47 into binary values, I will get this as an answer. But here I will be I'll have to write minus, because this is the minus decimal value. Therefore I will get binary number also in minus form. Okay, now we are going to see some rules, that what are the rules in which we have to convert the binary numbers or decimal numbers into binary numbers. So these are some of the rules in while converting the decimal values in binary numbers. We will have to follow these particular rules. So the rules are according to this: to convert the decimal number into binary number, we have to use these following steps, like divide the given decimal number with 2. Why we have to divide only with 2? Because we want to convert the decimal value into binary, and the base value of binary is 2. Therefore we have to divide any decimal number with 2 only. It is we cannot divide it by any other number. Okay, so we have to divide it by 2 itself. We cannot divide the decimal number by any other value. So second step is that you will get a reminder and the question. Okay, while dividing any value, we always gets a reminder as well as the question. Okay, note down the reminder and divide the question again by 2. Okay, so what we have to do, while dividing any value with 2, we will get reminder as well as question. So what I have to do, I have to note down the reminders and divide the question again by 2. Next is that repeatedly divide the question till it becomes 0. Now what you have to do here, you have to keep on dividing the question until and unless it becomes 0 at the end. Now write the reminders obtained in each step. Okay, you have to, in each step we are going to write the reminders. Now what you have to do, you have to write the reminders obtained in each step in the reverse order, from last reminder to the first reminder. to form the binary equivalent of the given decimal number. Okay, like we have got the reminders like 1 2 3 4 and so on, like 1 0 1 0 1 0. So what you have to do, you have to write the reminders in the opposite direction, like from bottom. We have to start from bottom, then first, then second last, third last, fourth last, and then the first one. This way you have to write the reminders, and this way you will get the answer. Got it? We will see one example by converting one example, that by converting one decimal number into binary number, we will understand it in some proper way. So I will explain you. So let us take one example like 35. Okay, I have to divide 35 by 2 because 2 is the base value of binary number. That is why I have to divide it by 2 itself. Now what is the simple way of dividing? When we divide any digit, we divide this way. Okay, if I have to divide it by 2, then what I will do, I will divide 35 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 1 is the remainder over here, and this 5 will become come down, and then 15 does not comes in 2. So we will see the lower value other than 15 which comes in 2's table. So it will be 2 7s are 14. Okay, so at the end 1 is the remainder, and this is the question. So what I have to do, I have to divide question again, and remainder I have to keep in mind. So in the simple way we are going to do it over here. So 2 17s are 34, 2 17s are 34, and 1 is the remainder. So 17 I have got the question. Now again I have to divide this question by 2. So what I will do, I will check whether 17 comes in 2's table. It does not comes. So it will be 2 8s are 16. Okay. Now again 1 will be the remainder over here. Okay. Now again I have to divide this by 2. So it will be 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now it has got divided completely. So 2 4s are 8. So therefore no remainder is there. So if no remainder is there, then I will write 0 in the remainder column. Then again I will divide this by 2. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Again 0 is the remainder. Again I will divide this by 2. So 2 1s are 2. Again there is no remainder, so 0 is the remainder. Now again if 1 is there, then also I have to divide. So what I will do, I will divide this by 2. So 2 zeros are 0 and 1 is the remainder, so I will write this remainder over here, and this has been completed. Got it? So I have got the reminders and my question has become 0, so I will stop over here. Now what I will do, I will write the reminders from downwards to the upwards. So what will be the answer here? 35 is the decimal number. I have converted this decimal into binary. So I have converted this decimal number into binary number. So what I will do, I will write the binary values of 35. So it will be 1. Okay, from downwards I will write. Okay, I will not write from the upwards to the downwards. I will write from the downwards to the upwards. So it will be 1, then 3 times 0, 1 2 3, and after that again 2 times 1. Okay, so 2 times 1s. So this is the binary value of 35. So the base value of binary is 2, so I will write the base value over here. So this is the way how we convert the decimal number into binary number. Okay, so this is the way, this is the correct way we do it. Understood? Thank you.